Hello guys, I am back with my another YouTube video. So let's begin for today YouTube video. So today in this video I will just tell you how to write a code for a maze game in code.org. So let's begin. Just open your Google Chrome. Write it here code.org. As I have already signed in, I will just sign out. It will be quite easy for you to sign in. So here you can see sign in option. Just click it here. Now if you have account, just click on sign in. If you don't have your account, just create your account. I have account, so I will just sign in. So this is all my projects. I just say that I will just show you how to write a code for maze game. So this is the maze game. Okay. I will just see here. Here is the ball. This is the ball. You have to make the ball reach the target to win. Here is the target. Here's the target and here is the ball. So it's quite easy. You can make it as more creative and creative by assign. You can see when I touch to the target, it says you win. You can make more creative. You can create more lines and lines. So here we have used variable var. Var is for variable. Variable, we have to define all the values. If I will not define it, it will not work. So first of all, we have to define it. So var I have created already. Var ball create sprite and I have assigned the value for it. X, Y, width, height. This is for X and Y. This is for the, I will just write it again in Q code. BA are there. You can write anything, block to block, anything you can write. You can name it anything. Create sprite. You have to assign X value, Y value, width and height. Assign it any value. I will just assign any value. But it should match. It should make a way to just go the ball to the target. Okay. You can see here the way is block. So I will just write it here 0. So it's quite easy for me. You have to assign a value, but I already created it. I'm just making remake. So it will quite easy. So this. So let's come to the functions. So we have defined all the variables part. So in the function we have write all the function we have to write. So in our body there are mind, there are so many functions to perform. As it in computer there are functions, so we have to just write all the function in the function draw. So here is the background color yellow. See yellow, we can change it into red, blue, green, anything. I will change as green. I tried green for the first time. You can see here, you can just write any value you want. Okay, so here is all about the color. Now the main part is velocity. So velocity is about the gravity. So gravity is that if we will take an apple or any object, allow the object or apple to fall down, it will fall. But in the outside, in the solar system, it will, because there is no gravity, no gravity. So it will just in the air. So in the velocity is the same. We have to just decide the direction of thing. In this we have the direction for the ball dot velocity. So ball. we can change, we can give to anything to a velocity. So in this we have assigned to the ball. So how the ball should move? Basically, computer or coding part will not able to know how we are want my ball to come or go anywhere. So it is the main part. So just around velocity, x velocity is for forward or backward, and the y velocity is for upward and downward. If we will write it in negative, it will move backward. If we will write it into positive, it will move forward. In the y velocity, it will, if we will, I will present in write it into negative, it move upward. If I will write it into negative, it will move downwards. Now here is the if it is a condition. So in this condition, if ball dot collide target, ball collide target means if the ball touches a target, it should be text that you win. Okay, so we have used the function for it. Absolutely, it will not able to know that if the ball will touch to this, to touch this, to touch this, target should appear. So we have to just give a specific area or a wall that target. If the ball collide target, so it will appear you win. Okay, so here value is for that where the ball, the where should appear. Sorry, where the text should appear. Here is the second if condition for the mouse. Mouse or the arrows, that how your ball should move. If I press the up arrow, if I press the down arrow, if I press the left arrow, if I press the right arrow, how this should move. So it's all about the velocity. Velocity you can just reverse my video, you will learn. So here is the bounce off. Bounce off means when this, you can see here, when this ball, when it get at contact with the ball, it's bounce. Ball is bouncing because we have used the function bounce off. Here's the collide. Collide means when it will come to the target, it will not bounce, it will get attracted. Here is the create sprites edges. If I will not use this function, it will, everything will be raised. I will show you. See, everything in is a raise. If I will write it again, it will show it again. And here is the same thing. If the ball, if you can see here, if the ball is going to the edges, out edges means the boundary part. If to go to the boundary, it should bounce off. And if I will not use this bounce off function, it will move out. So here is the sprite, draw sprite. This we have created the sprite, so we have to draw it also. So here is the text, target, and make the ball to reach the target. It's all about the, we have to write it here. So thank you for watching my video. Hope you like this. Please give like, comment, and share my video. Thank you so much. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. Just click. So thank you so much. Bye bye.